Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make your PC fast in just a few minutes. First of all, there are a couple of steps. So the first step is to update your Windows to the latest version. Go to the Windows Update section and make sure to install your Windows to the latest version. Once you've done that, let's move ahead to the step number 2, which is hardware accelerated GPU. So all you have to do is search GPU and click on graphic settings and click on advanced graphic settings. And you have to make sure that hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is turned on. And then all you have to do is type uninstall, select add or remove programs. From here, you will see a list of all the applications that are installed on your PC. You have to make sure to delete all of the unnecessary apps that are installed on your PC. For example, I don't want this software, so I will click on the 3-dotted options and click on uninstall. And that way you have to uninstall all the unnecessary apps that are installed on your PC. And the third step is open your task manager and click on startup apps. And from here, you have to open the window and let me just stretch it a bit. And from here, you have to adjust and disable the applications that auto enables or auto starts whenever your Windows boot up. For example, if I don't want this application to boot up with my Windows, all I have to do is right click and click on disable. And then you have to open your settings apps once again and type privacy on the search. Click on privacy settings and you have to make sure to turn all the toggles to off. And then all you have to do is type game mode. Click on game mode settings and you have to make sure that game mode has been enabled. And then you have to delete all the unnecessary temporary files that are installed on your computer. To do that, all you have to do is press Windows plus R and type %temp %. Hit enter, select all the files and hit the delete button. And then all you have to do is open your control panel and select power options. And you have to make sure that your PC has been selected to the high performance. That way your PC will perform on the maximum performance, but it may cause and it may use more energy. And that's how you can make your PC fast in just a few minutes. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.